Hello beautiful people, in this tutorial I'm gonna talk about Google Ads. So what is actually Google Ads and how it works, and in this tutorial I will explain everything. So let's see on my screen. On Google we will run three type of ads. One search ad, second shopping ads, and third one the display ads. And you will see the example on here. When anyone searches on Google, and these are the search ad, and these are the shopping ads, and these are the display ad, and these are actually local service ads. Now see on my life. So you can see I'm searching on Google woman t-shirt, and they are showing this type of example on here, and these are actually Google shopping ads. And also we will see one here, the shopping menu one here, and these are actually Google shopping ads. When anyone visit this type of t-shirt, then anyone buy this t-shirt. Now I search on Google web hosting, and you will see these are website, and they are showing some ad on here. And first one, second, these four ads are providing Google, and these are automatically one here, and these are actually Namecheap web hosting. And when I search Namecheap, so you can see when I search Namecheap search one keyword on the Google. So right now I'm again search web hosting, and you will see first one is Bluehost, second one is interserver.net, third one is top 10, and these are ad hostinger. And when I refresh this, then you can see the hostinger right now third one, and again I refresh this, and you can see and they are have a HostGator and Bluehost always the first one. So this is actually Google search ad, and this is actually Google shopping ads. Now I'm gonna Google display ad, and I'm visiting this blog page on here, and you will see something like this. I'm going to the footer, and you can see these are actually Google, and when I visit this, ads by Google. So this is actually Google display ads. So now I'm visiting my own country newspaper on C. You can see this is actually Google ads. One here you can see ads by Google, and these are actually our own country ads. So what is actually Google ads? I'm search on Google ads. So Google run ads, their own ads on here. I'm searching Google ads. You can see one here. These are one ad copy from Google. So this is actually the platform for ad service, and Google ads is a more customer generate for lead with. So Google provide grow service your business with Google ads. So this is the dashboard. Then you will create an account. Then you will add the payment info. Then you can create an ad copy. Then you will run ads on here. So in this playlist, I'm going to talking about all Google ads feature step by step. So this is actually my Google ads account dashboard, and you can see one here. I run some ads on here, and these are actually totally impression, my ads copy impression. These are cost per click on here. These are total. This is actually e-commerce ads. That's why I'm showing the purchase or sale. So this is actually our total cost. This is our conversion value on here. So in this playlist, I'm going to talk about what is account, what is performance, what is budget, what is campaign, what is ad group, and what is ad, what is keyword, and what is search keyword, negative keyword, search term, and we will explain everything. So hope you enjoy this video. Feel free to like this video and subscribe my channel for more upcoming videos, and I promise you will never be disappointed. Bye bye.